In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to delete a post on X, formerly Twitter, on both mobile and desktop in under 60 seconds. First, on your phone, open the X app and make sure you're logged into the account that posted the tweet you want to remove. Tap your profile picture in the top left, then choose Profile to see all of your posts. Scroll to find the post you want to delete, then tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of that post. From the menu that appears, tap Delete Post or Delete Tweet, depending on your version of the app. When the confirmation pop-up appears, tap Delete to permanently remove the post from your profile on mobile. Now let's delete a post from X on desktop. In your web browser, go to x.com and sign into the same account that posted the tweet. Click your profile picture on the left, then click Profile to open your posts on the desktop layout. Scroll through your timeline, find the post you want to remove, and click the three dots icon in the top right of that post. In the drop-down menu, click Delete Post or Delete Tweet to start removing it. Confirm by clicking Delete in the pop-up. Your post disappears from your profile. That's how to delete a post on X on both mobile and desktop.